Hey, I'm your host and welcome to our channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Anno 1404 error code LR40. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when the player hosting a multiplayer session is no longer in sync with other players. Many players have reported that after playing a session for about 4 hours, when they try to play again, the error occurs and they are disconnected instantly. According to our research, the error is likely caused by synchronization issues between players in a multiplayer session, which may also be affected by network settings, VPNs, game settings, or mismatched DirectX versions. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check if there are any VPNs or proxies running in the background. If there are, disable them and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, avoid tabbing out while loading the game and after loading in, wait for about a minute before playing. Then check for the error again. If the error still persists, click back to title and reload the game, then see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, try joining over the Shift F2 menu instead of using the in-game message. So try this and check if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, set the graphics to medium for all players in the session and then check for the error again. If you still get the error, make sure both the game and Ubisoft Connect are updated to the latest version and then check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try hosting your multiplayer game while logged out of Ubisoft Connect and check for the error again. If you still get the error, check your NAT type. If it is set to moderate instead of open, open the required UDP port on your ISP modem at home. Once the NAT type shows as open, check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, ensure that all players are using the same DirectX version. Some players have reported that all using DirectX 12 helped, while others said switching to DirectX 11 worked better. Check which version works for you and see if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.